this was just a quick video featuring the FlexCore 90 welder. Again, I've had a lot of requests to feature that welder in my videos a lot more and to show projects that I do with it. I plan on getting to more projects with that scrap steel right there. I'll get to something with that eventually. I'm really debating between taking it and building a go-kart completely out of scrap metal, building a ATV trailer with it, or just building a welding table, because I need a welding table. As everybody would notice, I just weld off my bench vise over my wooden table. As you can tell, this is a very easy, quick project, putting up this material shelf. I needed more space in the shop. Just wanted to get this stuff up off the floor to give me more space to work with and to fill with other things than scrap materials. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If this is your first time here, please hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up for future content. I promise I'll put out better videos than this. This is just a quick one for those that want to see the Century FlexCore 90 welder get used more. So thanks for watching again. Leave a comment below. Maybe let me know what you think I should do with the scrap metal. If I should build a welding table out of it, a go-kart. That will take a lot longer to do if I go that route, or just like an ATV utility trailer, which will take medium time, a medium length of time, I suppose. But anyway, so thanks for watching. Have a good one.